In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Password and Security. Now tap on Lock Screen Passwords at the top left corner. And when you're ready, just tap on one of those login methods: pattern, numeric password, or alphanumeric password. Whatever you decided after you selected, wait 5 seconds and hit Got It in the pop-up. Now it's time to create your login method and repeat it to confirm it. Once you finish, hit Confirm at the bottom right corner. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!